Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, the connection between hypothyroidism and rheumatoid arthritis. People with rheumatoid arthritis, RA, are more likely to have thyroid disorders, especially hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism can cause symptoms like fatigue, weight gain, and sensitivity to cold. Hashimoto's thyroiditis is an autoimmune condition that can lead to an enlarged and underactive thyroid gland. Thyroid disorders often occur around the time of RA diagnosis and may indicate more aggressive disease. Treatment for hypothyroidism involves thyroid hormone replacement medication like levothyroxine. Lifestyle factors like smoking, diet, and exercise can impact both RA and hypothyroidism. Uncontrolled RA or hypothyroidism can lead to complications like cardiovascular issues, metabolic syndrome, and decreased bone density. Joint and muscle pain can be a symptom of hypothyroidism, and may worsen symptoms for those with RA. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak